Hi, Joe Maggiore, designated broker of Desert Dimensions Properties. We are talking about considerations that real estate agents need to make really when they recognize the fact that they are independent contractors. And I think that most agents do recognize that, but I don't think most agents really recognize what that means for them. So I'm going to go over three things today, which is taxes, marketing, and then business planning. Now, when you are a realtor, you're a self-employed business person. You're an independent contractor. With regards to your taxes, the number one thing that I can recommend for taxes is hold back. You get checks that come in, you've got bills that are due. As an agent, that money comes in, it goes right back out. Realtors are some of the worst at that. I admit it, we all admit it, we do it. It's really important to take a portion of those commissions as they come in, set them aside. Put them aside for taxes, be prepared, because at the end of that year, you're going to get walloped with taxes. It's just the way that it works. The second thing is, I know a lot of people do their own taxes, but I really think getting the right tax professional is a very important thing when you're an independent contractor, because ultimately you get into a whole new world of things that you can deduct, things that become business expenses that might not have been business expenses in the past when you were a W-2 employee. Knowing the right person to know what you can deduct from that is extraordinarily important. Marketing. Now, marketing is something that I really feel very strongly about, and that's a big thing for us here at Desert Dimensions. I think a lot of agents, whether they're at smaller companies or at big box companies, you tend to assume that a lot of the marketing that your company is doing is the marketing that's being done for you. But what agents don't recognize is, big box companies, they're doing marketing to get brand recognition. And brand recognition is wonderful, but ultimately as an agent, that's not what's going to get you clients, and it's not what's going to get you listings or buyers or tenants or landlords. It is your own marketing. I think a lot of agents don't realize they need to really have their own marketing budget, their own marketing plan, and their own marketing activities. Really get out there and kind of hit the pavement and do what they need to do to market themselves as the product, as opposed to saying, I'm a realtor at X company. It really is about you as the agent. And then the third thing is business planning. And this one is really difficult for most people in general, a lot of independent business people, and specifically realtors. This isn't traditional business planning in the sense of having a written business plan. I mean business planning in the sense of identifying your goals. And sometimes those are goals with regards to the number of transactions. It might be an income number. Really identifying what it is that you want to do this next year, calendar or fiscal, whatever you use. Identifying what steps you're going to need to take to do it, and then really putting the plan together to get you from point A to point B. We're real big on business planning, and like I said, not written business plans, but really identifying what it is that your goals are, what you want to do, how you pull in things like your marketing into your business plan to accomplish those goals, and then you can bring the tax thing back in when you make all the money and you've got a plan for paying your taxes. Take those three things into consideration. It will be a huge step out in front of most people. Taxes, your marketing, and your business plan. You keep those things in mind as you get yourself ready for your year. Nothing to worry about. Of course, if there's any questions, you can always let us know. DesertDimensions.com or 480-270-5355. I'm Joe Maggiore with Desert Dimensions Properties.